Alright everybody, welcome to King of the Hammers 2025. I'm trying something a little different. I got a camera mount that should be able to share with you guys the ride of what exactly goes on out here every single year at the end of January, start of February. Today is Monday, and I believe today is either qualifying for UTV. I believe there's an Ultra 1 race that is going on today. It has to do with those Uniwheel cycles. It's new to me, but maybe if we hunt it down and find it, I can go ahead and show you what it is that I'm talking about. We got to tote around in the 4Runner up to Chocolate Thunder to try and catch some of the carnage, but there really wasn't anything going on. Excuse me. But yeah, so I'm on my way to Hammertown right now. We're just gonna go check it out, see what we got going on over there. I doubt anything's open. It's barely 7. It's probably more like 7:30. Lake bed will probably be filling up a lot this week, like it usually does. A lot of the trophy truck guys were leaving yesterday. On my way in, I saw a bunch of them leaving. So here is the main drag. And the sheriff deputies are out like crazy during the evening when everything starts to get a little bit more rowdy. They are patrolling this road like nothing else. So you want to be careful when you're out here. Probably only 20 miles an hour max. Alright, welcome to Hammertown. Looks kind of dead this morning. Like I said, I don't think there's really anybody out here right now. It'll pick up way later. Toyota booth is all roped off. Morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Doing all right. How are you?
All right, pretty good, pretty good. Thanks for asking.
Firestone looks like it's got a little hangout booth. That's probably going to be popping later tonight. It's kind of nice being out here this early. I mean, we know this place is going to be crowded later on in the day, but the quietness of being out here, kind of nice. I guess that's the Ultra 1.